Miranda versus Arizona directs police to inform a suspect of his constitutional rights. Miranda warnings are required before police interrogate a suspect in custody. A suspect is in custody if his freedom of movement is restricted, meaning a reasonable person wouldn't feel free to end the questioning and leave. But does this objective test account for characteristics particular to the suspect? In Yarborough versus Alvarado, a juvenile suspect claims a court must factor in his youth when determining whether he was in custody for Miranda purposes. 17-year-old Michael Alvarado was at a California shopping mall. Alvarado agreed to help Paul Soto steal a truck. Alvarado waited on the passenger side while Soto demanded the driver's money and keys. When the driver refused, Soto shot and killed him. After the shooting, Alvarado helped hide the gun. A month later, a detective asked to speak with Alvarado. Alvarado came to the police station with his parents, but he was interviewed alone. Alvarado wasn't given a Miranda warning. During a 2-hour interview, the detective encouraged Alvarado to tell the truth, and Alvarado ultimately confessed. After the interview, Alvarado went home with his parents. A few months later, Alvarado was charged with first-degree murder and attempted robbery. Alvarado moved to suppress his statements from the police interview on the grounds that no Miranda warnings were given. The trial court concluded that Alvarado wasn't in custody during the interview and denied the motion. The trial court convicted Alvarado of second-degree murder and attempted robbery. A California appellate court affirmed. The California Supreme Court denied discretionary review. Alvarado petitioned for habeas corpus in federal district court, naming his prison warden. For a successful habeas petition, Alvarado had to demonstrate that the state court unreasonably applied clearly established federal law. The district court denied the habeas petition. It held that the state court reasonably concluded that Alvarado wasn't in custody for the purposes of Miranda. The Ninth Circuit reversed. The Ninth Circuit factored Alvarado's youth and inexperience into its analysis and concluded he was in custody. The Supreme Court granted cert.